Hi, it's Amanda. I want to talk to you about the Amazon rainforest and poaching. I've been interested in it since freshman year of high school. That's all I did my papers on ever. I want to go over what poaching is and what poachers do, its effect on species and the ecosystem, especially in the Amazon rainforest, and what we as people can do to help that. The Amazon is located all around Brazil, like in Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, French Guiana, and a few other places. It's home to about 10 million species like jaguars, harpy eagles, pink river dolphins, sloths, black spider monkeys, and poison dart frogs. It contains 1 in 10 known species on this whole planet, which is a lot. It has 40,000 plant species and 3,000 fish species, and more than 370 types of reptiles. So now I'm going to go over what poaching is, like the definition of it. The definition of poaching is to trespass, especially on another's game, preserves, or protected lands, like a national forest, stuff like that, in order to steal animals or hunt. Also to take game or fish illegally. Wildlife crime is a very big business. It's run by very dangerous people and very dangerous international networks. It's very similar to dangerous networks like used to traffic drugs and arms. One of the greatest threats in the Amazon is poaching. There are a lot of methods poachers use. There is the snare, poison, and just like regular weapons. A lot of them use chainsaws, which is terrible. The most popular one, though, is a snare. It's like a rope, and it can be spread across like hundreds of feet, which is very dangerous to any animal that comes across it. I'm going to talk about jaguars in particular, because they play a vital role in its habitat. They control other species populations by helping them maintain a healthy ecosystem, so they keep it running. Human-driven activities, including poaching, destruction of forest habitat, loss of prey species, and human-wildlife conflict are greatly impacting the jaguar populations. A few species of jaguar have actually gone extinct due to these. They are being hunted and poached for their skins, their claws, their fangs, and it keeps increasing the need for this in the illegal trade system. There are 2,633 endangered species living in the Amazon rainforest right now. Some of them being the jaguar, a golden lion tamarin, giant otters, pink dolphin, and the spider monkey, and that's just a few of them. Poaching is responsible for the death of 38 million animals per year, and these animals keep getting illegally traded, which is really sad. Poaching has put a lot of animals on the endangered species list, or really close to it. If we don't help raise awareness to this huge problem, a lot of the species and the ecosystem we know now will be gone forever. Poaching and the destruction of these animals will affect biodiversity and the ecosystem in so many ways, because every animal or species in the ecosystem plays their own and particular role. Each one is very important. The loss of just one species can mean extinction for so many other species, because it's either its food or stuff like that. Research shows that the killings of fruit-eating animals in the rainforest can lead to deforestation because these animals, when they eat the fruit, they're responsible for kind of dispersing the nuts, like the tree nuts for it, that leads to big wood density. And if these animals keep getting killed, there won't be enough to disperse all the seeds, and so trees won't grow. How you can help: you can educate your friends and family on what's going on in the Amazon. You can become a customer by donating to certain protection services. You can ask about your food purchases and buy products with the FSC label. And you can speak up about the Amazon peoples and share their stories. If you would want to donate to help the rainforest, here are 7 of the places you can donate if you wanted to. There's the Amazon Watch, the Amazon Conservation Team, Survival International, Amazon Conservation Association, International Working Group for Immigrants, for Indigenous Affairs, Rainforest Action Network, and Rainforest Trust. Every species plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Every species is very important. If poaching and illegal trade keeps happening, the ecosystem is in great jeopardy, and we need to do something to stop it. Everyone needs to play a part if we want to save the rainforest, the animals, and the whole ecosystem. So today we went over animals and endangered species in the rainforest, the effect poaching has on the ecosystem, and what you can do to help save these animals and the rainforest. Thank you. Bye.